Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the bracelet type and laying the watch on a soft towel to protect the face. Use a magnifier and the correct tool, push pin for pins, tiny screwdriver for screws, spring bar tool for quick release. Once you identify which links to remove, mark symmetric links on both sides of the clasp so the watch remains centered. Make the first push slowly, feel for a click or give. If a pin resists, stop and reorient the tool to avoid bending it. Now remove the targeted links one at a time, pushing pins in the arrow direction until they protrude, then pull them with tweezers. If the bracelet uses screws, use the correct screwdriver and turn gently counterclockwise. Don't strip heads. Keep removed pins and spacers organized in order. Once the links are out, reconnect by aligning holes and reinserting pins or screws. Tap pins flush with a soft mallet. Make sure the clasp sits centered. Try the watch on, and note any remaining slack. Finish by securing the clasp and testing the watch on your wrist, moving your hand to check comfort and circulation. If it's still loose, remove one more small link. If tight, reinsert a spacer or a link. Once done, inspect pins for flush seating and wipe away debris. If a pin is stuck, apply penetrating oil briefly and tap gently. If a link is bent, stop and seek professional reshaping. Make sure you can close the clasp easily. If not, realign links and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.